First, I want to start up making a lock with the Vivica A Fox hair. When finishing the lock, I like to tuck the thinner side of the loose hair back into the lock. Always leave enough hair out so that you can attach the lock to your hair. Now I'm going to make a lock using the Lock Sanity's brand. To make the last lock, I'm going to use the Making Styles brand. Hey guys, this is Janelle. I am the owner of Mother Knows Best. I make lock extensions, I install locks, I dye them, I do lock maintenance such as lock reconstruction, starter locks, micro locks, all that good stuff. So one of my biggest things is trying to find the best hair when making lock extensions for my clients. I look for two key things: the softness and how easy is it to lift, because a lot of my clients request custom coloring. So I have 3 products here that I've been using. Lock Sanity. This is a company based out of Florida. It's Black owned. And they have different colors and lengths for their Afro kinky bulk hair. Their hair, what I like about their hair is you get a lot of bang for your buck, especially when they have deals going on. Invoice that I got from them, I got 4 packs of Afro kinky 100% bulk human hair. I got the virgin, which is unprocessed, not dyed anything, because if you get the other kind that has been processed, dyed, or whatever, the chances of you being able to lift it to where you can dye it to the desired color is almost slim to none. So for this one, it was on sale. I got 4 packs of hair for $55, and then I got a $5 coupon, which brought it down to $49.50. So this hair, this is 8-inch. Again, like I said, what I like about this hair is that you get a lot of bang for your buck. However, one thing that I do look at when I'm looking at hair is if it's 8 inches, is it a solid 8 inches? Or like for this piece, is broken up. So even though it's 8 inches, you have a lot of these pieces, which I do not like. They're chopped up and cut. And so I would have to basically piece them together to make 8 inches. Then like with this one, it's a solid strand of 8 inches. So this hair, it's a little bit coarser, in my opinion. It doesn't mimic natural hair as nice as the other 2 brands. Doesn't mimic natural, our type of hair. Yes, it does, but to me, it does still have this almost synthetic feel to it. Hair brand that I use is Making Styles. I like this brand, especially with the packaging. I think this is really cute. This is like my 3rd time ordering from them, and this is the 3rd time I've gotten this satin case. I think it's so, cute, and I can use it for something else. Mainly what I do when I'm making my locks, I just, I throw them in here as I make them. And so I just keep them, especially if I'm dealing with different types of hair. I'm able to keep this in here so I know which hair I'm using. So that's the one thing. Their pricing is also good. If you catch them with a sale, you also get the bang for your buck. I got 8-inch, a pack of 8-inch. It came in two bulks of hair. So this one, it had 2 bulks in here. I'm going to insert the video of me opening up the hair because I already started using this hair. I got 2 bulks of hair. They also come in a variety of colors. And I paid $50 because it was on sale. The normal price is $60 plus shipping. So the main thing I like about this hair is it's softer than the Lock Sanity, and the strands are true 8-inch strands. So when I take it out, I get 8 inches. I don't get it chopped up and broken into pieces. If you make lock extensions, you know that having the whole strands is a lot easier than trying to piece the strands together. And so that's why I like these. I like making styles. And then their color is so pretty. Like this is also virgin. And it's like a brownish, a dark brown, like a 1B to number 2B coloring, where this one is more of a jet black. So that's making styles. Then we have Vivica A. Fox. So this is the brand that I initially started out with. I get this from my local beauty supply store. When I initially started purchasing this brand, it was $39.99. Then COVID hit and it jumped up to $45, $45.99. But the beauty supply store that I go to, because I go there all the time and I buy a lot of hair, and I spend like on average $100 minimum every time I go there. They gave me a VIP card, so I get 10% off of my entire purchase every time I go. I like this hair because, for one, it's way soft. It's super soft. It's softer than the other two. Again, it mimics our hair more than the other two do. And also, it comes in 16 inches. This is a 16 inch. So, and it is a true 16 inch. There's no pieces that are broken off. Most of the strands are 16 inches with very few broken pieces. This hair is easier to manipulate, in my opinion, than the other two. I feel that is because it's softer. Again, this is my opinion, and I have been using all these products for several months. Based solely on the points that I've made, in my opinion, the Vivica A. Fox holds up better than the other two. That's because it's softer. It's 16 inches, so you get, in my opinion, when you break it down, you get more hair, and it's easier to work with. So now I'm going to go in. I've already made my locks, and I got them separated. So this is the lock for Lock Sanity. This is the lock for Vivica A. Fox. And then this is the lock for Making Styles. I separated them so I know the difference. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to dye them the same amount of time, the same number of times, so you can see how long each one takes to lift. I'm going to take a picture and insert it in the video, the products that I'm going to be using. If you're still watching this video at this point, if there are better products that I can use to to lift my hair, please drop it in the comments, shoot me a message or whatever, because I'm definitely open to learning more about this craft so that I can bring a better product to my clients. After applying, I let it sit for about 15 minutes before I check it. After only 15 minutes, it has already started to lift, and this is what I like to see. After letting them sit for another 15 minutes, I checked them to see how much they've lifted. I repeat the same steps in round 2 that I did in round 1. For the first round, I did get really good results. So for the second round, I expect to get even better results. I only lifted them twice so that I wouldn't ruin the lock. Lifting them too many times will cause the locks to become brittle and unusable. I did get really good results from each lock with only lifting them twice. By the locks being this bright, I do feel confident in dyeing them and getting good results, but if I wanted a more vibrant color, I would lift it again. Based on the results, Lock Sanity is the better brand when it comes to dyeing locks because the hair lifts better than the other two. Regardless of how many times you lift, when you lift them for the last time, ensure that you wash them extremely well to make sure you got all the chemicals out of the lock so that you will not damage it. Each brand has its pros and cons, and I would use all three, but it would be based on what my client needs and what they want out of their locks. For more content like this, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube at Mother Knows Best RR. Thanks for watching.